Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about barbecue equipment, or if you prefer calling it something else, outdoor cooking equipment. Because everybody doesn't barbecue, they may cook other ways. But being able to cook outdoors, whether it's with a charcoal barbecue, a propane powered one, whatever, a fire pit, whatever it is where you are cooking outdoors, make sure you have plenty of supplies for this year and next year. You never can tell when you may be having to cook outdoors because of some temporary problem, either with the power or with the gas line, or if you're out farther away, you've got a big propane tank for your house and the regulator goes out on it, you're going to have to be cooking outside. All right? So think about it. Get your barbecue / outdoor cooking supplies in order. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. Do an indoor garden as well as an outdoor garden. Next year we're doing the Indoor Garden Challenge, and we're giving away at least a $50 Amazon gift card. And the way the vegetables are at the store, you really don't want to eat those anyways. You want to grow your own food.